Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Unota, and guys, Unota is becoming a serious problem in South Africa. Remember, recently he got arrested due to false allegations. Who's this guy? KO. Mm. My uthi uDurban Gogo. No, stepmother sika Durban Gogo. Angazi ubani uBridget Motsepe. Yeah, athi uBridget Motsepe is recently dating Uyanga. And mind you, we all know at that time Durban Gogo was dating Konjubani Mfana Mfishane. Yeah, that guy for
Musa
Caliste.
Kaula takes stories and then he chops them up. He's not dating Devin Coco. He was sleeping with Devin Coco's stepmother,
Huh? Who?
Bridget Motsepe. Yanga owes me 120,000 rand, but he's able to sleep in a suite at the Oyster Box.
Yes, this guy, I feel like he keeps on wanting to go back to a prison. Like I apply a prison more and more. Remember that time bega accuser who's this wife of his Parita. I'm looking busy. I'm jealous here. And naleso sibongo sitshintshe kuma-platform akho blah blah blah. He was busy humiliating this girl public isimbhekile. And I hope umbophisile sham. Not guys uyadelela and yambona nawe uyashuta ngekhona phambi kwe-court. He's like, nothing you will do to me. I have the biggest lawyers. I'm glad this hand guy. This guy is so mentally not stable. Oh, and this girl, nakhumbula athi lokho Unota raped her. Okay, isitori sakhe besingahlangani, but asingendawo. But my point remains, Unota keeps on wanting ama-fights aphelela prison. Akaspitha ama-facts Unota, guys. He's just uyakhuluma nje, u-arrogant, uyawahlaza like kumele aboshwe kayi-one akhabona ukuthi it's not nice like aboshwe isikhathi eside angazositshela ukuthi yena inside he has people prepared for him abazomgada abazoyenzana bezenza like khuluma ube unayo i-evidence like ube unayo i-evidence ukuze umuntu angakuthatha kuse court ube wazi ukuthi makazothi 1 2 3 I'll be like here's my proof. Okay, fine. Sinama-journalist sikhuluma kanje obvious. We'll just spit facts. Ukuthi omunye umuntu uthena. That's a second opinion. But then as South Africans reprimanding Unota from speaking bull as cow. Angikwazi ukuhlukana guys, but then he must be reprimanded because my big usukela uBridget. Uthi boy bekatshelwa noBridget. And uBridget angahamba ayovula icase. She's from the Motsepe family, pardon me. Like angayovula icase ambophise a serious case. So nje. No, Khuzeka. Thank you for watching.